What's up, YouTube? So today I'm trying to figure out why my window rattles. So I went through, pulled the door panel off already, and I found that this bolt right here, let me show you, it was a little bit loose. It's like a little 10mm. And this thing, I don't know how, it works on the tracks or something. So my window was rattling. So let's see, it was more like that. So you can hear that click, that clunk. It was this thing hitting. So you can see that thing vibrating. So every time I hit a bump or something, my whole window was loose. I don't know if you can see it's tint, but every time I hit a bump, it was loose. So pulled the door panel off. There's one bolt behind this trim piece. You gotta pull this window switch piece out. There's a bolt in there. There's also one right there, and then one on the very bottom of the door by the reflector. You pull those 4 bolts out. Make sure you keep them in the right spot. So I did mine bottom to top. So this is the very bottom, and that's the one that goes under the armrest. Then the window switch and the one behind the panel. If you don't, because this one's, I don't know about these ones, but this one's a different thread pitch. So I don't think you're gonna be wanting to screw that up. So I just grabbed 10mm and tightened it up, and it should stop rattling. That's all it was. I might put a little bit of Loctite or something on it. Now, well, this one's super snug compared to the other one. So I'll just tighten it up, and it should be fine. Well, the thing is I had bad wheel bearings on this car ever since I had it. I probably drove around with bad wheel bearings for 2,000 miles or something. And it vibrated the car a lot, so I'm assuming you just back that bolt out. So if your window ever starts rattling, pull the door panel off and check these bolts. It still has that regulator noise, but there's no more play in the window. The window's pretty solid now. It won't clunk around. Thanks for watching.